Let's take a closer look at Mercedes glow plug systems. I've got a few different glow plugs here. They come in varying shapes and sizes depending on what model of engine you have, and also varying voltage ratings. However, they all look fairly similar. They're pencil shaped, they screw into your engine. Now, there will be one for every cylinder, so if you've got a 4-cylinder engine, you'll have 4, or 6 for a 6-cylinder. The tip of them here, that is the part that glows red hot when electricity powers the glow plug. It's very similar to the heating element inside your toaster. The purpose of them is that red heating element will make it easier for the diesel fuel inside the engine to burn on a cold morning, and also reduce the amount of smoke that you'll see coming out the exhaust during that initial warm-up. The way these glow plugs are powered is via a glow plug control unit. One of these electric modules has a temperature sensor inside, and it will decide for how long to power the glow plug depending on the conditions. As far as glow plug failures, the good news is that it's very uncommon for all 4 or 6 glow plugs to fail at the same time. Some people choose to replace this whole lot, but we can pinpoint which of the 4 or 6 have failed and save you a bit of money that way. When faced with glow plug problems, a lot of workshops will choose to replace all the glow plugs and the control unit. At Eurostar, we're able to pinpoint exactly what has failed and replace only what is necessary. If you're ready to book, give us a call or use our online booking form below, or have a read further down the page where you'll find more information and all the prices for your model of Mercedes.